Luis, the rain is pouring so much. Several roads in our area are flooded with water. One road even had to be closed off. Our reporter Eduardo Morales shares how the rain is affecting drivers.
The rain is coming down hard to the point where cars are literally driving through puddles, the water reaching above their tires.
It's not set up for a storm like this. Not every time it rains, there's too much water collecting in different areas. And for people with smaller cars, it's hard because it gets inside the motor and it ruins it.
Due to flooding, the city of Yuma closed off Avenue A is closed off at 28th Street. Detours are taking people to 4th Avenue, Avenue B, or 8th Avenue. Meanwhile, the St. Louis Police Department put out a reminder for all drivers to be extra careful on the roads, citing there have already been 4 accidents in the border town since the rain started. One local says drivers need to be more cautious. When it's raining, one must decrease their velocity and drive more calmly. Make sure to keep both hands on the wheel and stay safe during this heavy rain. Reporting in Yuma, Eduardo